Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I was sitting here working on the necklace. This one I finished last night. I call this one Love Affair because I'm like absolutely positively in love with this one. Okay, so you can see the hand painted beads that I did. And then these are literally charms, like the handmade charms, custom charms that I do. And then the beads, hand painted beads, and then also the pendant, handmade pendant. And my thought was I wanted to make a necklace that was just a charm baby, just all kind of charms. And what I'm doing now is I'm going to make one out of these beads right here. And I'm working on the pieces, the charms right here. So my thought is, because I have so many of those beads, I'm going to more than likely take the charms all the way up the necklace to a certain point, a little bit further than what I did with this one. Maybe more halfway, and then I'll put some of the other beads that I've painted. And I absolutely am in love with this one. I mean, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I think this one and maybe two more I'm going to make like this will be pieces that I'm going to send out during our celebrity collaborative shipping. So it'll be, I'm going to make three total and they'll all be totally different. And of course, I'll make some to go on, all the websites too. But I absolutely positively love, like love, 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 love. And the beads are basically just extra beads, the little small beads. How amazing that is, right? And the pendant, I made the pendant out of course, those natural beads. And then you can just see a little bit of everything. Got some Buddha head up in there, some little shells, just all kind of beads. And it just turned out like this. Absolutely amazing. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And chances are I'll make one of them on video, but I wanted to show you guys this real quick. All right. Be sure to enjoy your Saturday.